In order to set up a connection between the app and the flue gas measuring instrument, I first start up the app. The Scan button searches for all Testo flue gas measuring instruments with activated Bluetooth in the vicinity. I select the desired measuring instrument and the connection is activated. A pin may be requested before the initial connection is made. In this case, I use the pin 1234, which is valid for all Testo flue gas measuring instruments. If I want to reconnect the last flue gas measuring instrument used, the connection is automatically set up after the app is started. If the last instrument connected is not available, the app displays a list of Testo flue gas measuring instruments which have already been connected with the smartphone or tablet. By clicking on the instrument, a connection is made without the need for a new scan. With the menu button, I can make settings, display infos on the app and call up the help function. Via the menu preferences, I can alter the parameters of the graphic display as well as the measurement duration and the x-axis scaling. In addition to this, I can freely configure 3 headers and a footer. This info is then always displayed in the measurement report. Measurement values can be stored in various output formats, such as PDF files, for example. If desired, the output format can be queried when storing. Finally, I choose a directory on the SD card where I would like to store the measurement data and confirm with OK. You also have the option of sending the measurement report to a recipient as an email attachment. To do this, I enter the email address of the recipient and confirm it with OK. This email address is now stored as standard and is used when sending the email. To return to the measurement, I press Back. The Help function allows me to see which flue gas measuring instruments can be used in combination with the app and which functions are available. As soon as my flue gas measuring instrument is connected and all relevant settings have been made, I can control the flue gas measurement via the Start button. I can display the measurement values either as a table or as a chart. In the tabular view, the same measurement parameters are displayed as in the measuring instrument. If I would like to show more measurement parameters in the tabular view, I have to adapt the measurement value display directly in the measuring instrument. Additional information such as the serial number of the instrument are displayed in the middle section of the table. To switch over to the chart, touch the Chart button. The measurement values can be stored on the SD card of the smartphone or tablet during the measurement as well as after the measurement is ended. The measurement values can optionally also be sent as an email. I return to the previous measurement values and stop the measurement. By touching Print, I can print out the measurement data on the Testo Bluetooth printer. The setup of the Bluetooth connection to the printer is the same as that of the measuring instrument.